Go, go, go. Keep going, keep going. Oh, keep going. Oh, shit. I've never seen Dakota actually like move his muscles. Look at the poopy. Dakota! You're far ahead of me. It's a shitty day outside. A really shitty day. Oh my god, blue sky. What a fucking miracle. It's been raining all day. So I'm riding my bike because it's a perfect day to ride your bike. Ugh. And we're in Plantation in Tampa, Florida. And just riding around the circle. You can't see Dakota. I don't know why he's going so far ahead of me. Hey, Dakota! I see you go in the parking lot. Don't try to hide from me. We got a lot of rain. These are all dry yesterday. It's crazy. Shit. Shit. Oh, my asshole. Alright. Planet Fitness. I wonder how much it is to get in. Probably some unbelievable price for absolutely nothing. There's a hot girl over there taking out the trash. Need them digits. Give me them digits, ho. Where'd that fat lord go? Why is he behind the buckets? Dakota, what the hell are you doing? Oh, I think he crashed. What a dumbass. Oh, I missed it. Oh, now I'm sad. What the fuck? Ugh. Damn it. Dakota! What happened? No? Wow, you would fall in like a 5-foot ditch. You're an idiot. You fell down that? You're an idiot. Oh, there's your tire marks. What a fucking dumbass.
I know it's fucking cool.
All I seen was you disappear behind bushes, dude. I was like, what the hell is that fat ass doing? Ugh.
I forgot that it rained.
Yeah, the whole rain part probably gave away the puddle. You're a dumbass. Alright. We're still riding? Let's keep riding until we get to 7-Eleven. Hey, they have to yield to pedestrians. Go. They better fucking yield. I beat a nigga's ass. I probably shouldn't say that in this neighborhood with people's windows rolled down. Whee!
I learned my lesson.
Yeah, let's look before you leap. It's actually a motto. It's very famous. Especially when you're being a dumbass. Going down shit. You might want to check it. Dakota! Slow your happy ass down. Alright, tire gear time. Ugh. Get going so I can go with no hands. Alright, we're good. Oh shit! Ah! Ah, ran into a fence. Ow! I ran into the fence. Ah, fuck me. Damn, I just fucked my toe up. Dude, you missed it. You missed it. I went to go no hands, and I hit like the side of the road, and it shot my tire and I hit the fence. Ow. Alright, now I can't call you a dumbass for running off a bridge. Oh, that fucking killed. Alright, not going no hands. Hey, on the bright side, it's raining. On the bright side, it's raining. Yeah, go. Hey, you did it. Yeah, you went to a puddle. And then he fell. Dude, I messed my toe up. I got it all on video too, because I was like this. I was like, all right, I'm going to get going so I can go no hands. And then, bam, I hit the fucking fence. Yay, it's raining, everybody. Let's see if I can get some like water drop effect on my lens to make it cool. Wipe it off. Hey, we need to hurry up before it gets any worse. I have a $200 camera here. Security guard. What's up, security? Why do we have security? Don't ask. All they do is like, hey, you need to move your basketball hoop. Ow, I almost busted again. It's hard riding in sandals on plastic pegged fucking pedals. Hey, it's raining pretty good now, actually. I'm getting wet as we speak, and not in a sexual good way. I'm talking just like straight wet. Now my camera's fogging up. Oh, this is just fucking great. I can't get too much water on this. Hey, the next shortcut, we're taking it. I can't see clearly anymore because it's raining. We would get stuck on the other side of the goddamn thing from my house when it starts to rain. It makes sense, I guess. If this was a cheap camera, I would be having fun. But no. Dakota, you're a fucking idiot. That's a car. I worry about you a lot. Who rides onto a car? Honestly. You know who? That dumbass up there in a white shirt. Alright, going higher gear here. I need to step it up. We gotta go faster. My money's getting wet. I got dead presidents in my pocket. But seriously, when you say dead presidents, it really doesn't matter how much you have. They're all dead. Like, you know, I can have a $1 bill. Be like, oh, I have a dead president. It's not cool. I guess it's just a motto. Make dead presidents. Hey, there's an abandoned house. Let's go tag it up later with my homie G friends. So we can say we're cool because we vandalized everything. Isn't that what cool kids do these days? They vandalize shit. I really hope all this audio is recording. My medicine's going in my mouth. It's not good. I think if it goes inside your mouth, it gets bad. Yeah, it's raining outside. Good job, Dakota. Damn, I didn't know you were that smart. Hey, what does the cow say? Come on, I know you know this one. It's not meow. You're close though. It starts with an M. Come on. Come on. Just turn around and say moo. And you'll get it right. You'll get a cookie. Alright, we're almost there, right? Hey, yeah, let's not be a dumbass when it's raining. Actually, oh yeah, do that, please. I want to see you bust your asshole. Do it.
The ceiling's so high, baby. Hey, look at the ducks.
Oh, that just made it worse. Hey, duckies. I missed them, sorry.